Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to enable and disable the tab bar in vertical, hide, and multiple line modes in Notepad++. First, let's make sure you have Notepad++ installed. If not installed, you can download it from the official website. Once installed, open Notepad++. Right now, these all are in the horizontal tab bar. If we want to do it in the vertically tab bar, we will do some configuration in Notepad++. Now, let's start it. First, let's look at how to enable or disable the vertical tab bar. This layout displays the open files vertically, which is useful if you have many tabs open. Go to Setting menu. Click on Preference in the Preference. There are so many sub-menu are there. You can click on General submenu. In General submenu, if you can see vertical checkbox or uncheck or disable, we can check the vertical tab box. It shows the tab bar in vertically. To switch back, simply uncheck the vertical tab option. If you want to hide the tab bar, simply check the Hide tab option. It will hide the tab bar. To bring it back, simply uncheck the Hide tab option. Now, let's enable or disable multiple line tabs, which allows you to display your tabs across several lines. Check or uncheck the multiple line tab box depending on whether you want to enable or disable this feature. And click Close to apply the changes. And that's how you can manage your tab bar with vertical, hidden, and multiple line modes in Notepad++. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them